How to post items cheap. First of all, download the InPost app. Go to Send, and you can choose a locker or a home address. The locker or shop is cheaper. It's also cheaper by size. The sizes are very generous, and it also goes up to 15 kg. The best value is the locker or the shop. So select that, and then choose your size. Declare what the parcel contains, and underneath you say the value of the items. There is free cover for up to £50 if there are any damages or losses. However, you can pay an extra £3.75 if you want full coverage. Fill out the details of the recipient, then choose the InPost points destination. Type in the postcode you want. Choose from the list of places closest to that postcode. Some locations are larger than others, and some are also 24/7. Once chosen, it'll tell you the approximate time it will take to receive. Afterwards, you need to fill in your details. Then you need to find a drop-off location for your parcel. It's all around the UK. Once you have chosen your location, you'll get a QR code. Go to the location and you get a touch screen. Here you can collect or send the parcel. With the QR code, you also get a barcode, so you can enter the numbers on the top. Underneath, it's a little bit hard to see, but there is a QR section. You can just scan it here. A compartment on the right will open and you can enter your parcel. If you happen to buy the wrong size, you can press on the screen, press for help. These lockers have small, medium, and large options. When you're ready, close the compartment and it'll say the door is closed. Select that you are finished and you will receive an email. This was a great process, it was very quick, it says I only took 44 seconds. These lockers were at a petrol station and it's 24/7. You can press finish and everything's updated by emails or you can check on the app. It's really safe and there's CCTV at the top. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!